I'm Anil Kumar, and here is an application of slopes of lines. A hiking trail has been cut diagonally along the side of a hill as shown. What is the slope of the trail? So that is the hiking trail, and we need to find the slope of this hiking trail. What we are also given here is that this hiking trail is perpendicular to this particular line, right? And we are given some dimensions here. It seems that, let us say, if you start from here, then somehow, well, this is run and that is rise. And then we have a perpendicular line to kind of a hypotenuse. We can consider like that, right? So let me make this also right angles to make it absolutely clear. Now, what is the slope of this hiking trail? That is the question. Well, as you can see, this hiking trail is perpendicular to that particular line. So let me just name them. Let us say this is A, B, C, and let's consider a point here, D. So from the diagram, what we see is that CD is perpendicular to CA, right? So CD is perpendicular to CA, right? So that means that the slope of CD times the slope of CA should be minus 1. So that means slope of CD times slope of CA should be minus 1. That is the postulate for perpendicular lines, right? So this is from our postulate. On perpendicular lines. So two lines are perpendicular if and only if product of their slopes is minus 1. Now what we can do is we can find the slope of CA. Slope of CA is rise over run, right? It is rise over run, or you can say change in y value, right? Delta y, that is by definition, over delta x. Now in this particular case, delta y is 60 meters. Let me write 60 here. And change in x is 80, right? That is to say, when you simplify it, you can divide both by 20, so you get 3 over 4. So 3 over 4 is the slope of CA, and therefore, what is going to be the slope of CD? Negative reciprocal. So CD slope should be negative, and then we flip it. We get 4 over 3. That should be the slope of CD. We can verify whether it is right or wrong. So if I multiply 3 over 4 with negative 4 over 3, I get minus 1. That means they are perpendicular, correct? So the answer is that the slope of the trail should be minus 4 over 3. I hope that's clear. Thank you and all the best.